I ate them wings. My stomach is hurting so bad. I didn't even have to drink the stuff yet, but ate the wings. I'm kind of scared to drink the stuff because I'm finna do Amazon and I'm gonna have to use the bathroom. I know it, but I want to drink it hot, so I'm battling right now. But I'm gonna drink it regardless. The lime stuff, the immunity shot that I made. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out what I'm about to put on real quick because it's hot outside. And I'm feeling bloated, and I don't like to dress when I'm bloated. I really don't. I got on some baggy sweats, lingerie clean, but I'm just about to put on this black shirt so I can sweat while I'm doing Amazon. And I want to wear some black leggings. The other thing, I need to get some more black leggings. I got these black pants. They too thick to be walking around though. I got clothes that I need to actually wash, dry.
Can't handle your liquor.
Hopefully I'm not burning up out there. I just put on all black. I just like to work in all black, and I really want to get like some things just to work in. Honestly, that's what I need to look for on Amazon, like a uniform. These incense be smelling so good. You know what you can get me for my birthday? Hecka incense and candles. Okay, so hit me up down below in the box down below. Email me, and I'm gonna send you information, and you're gonna send it to me, right? Or you're gonna cash at me, and then I'm gonna go buy it on camera. But not for real though. I'm making so originally I was gonna make fried whiting and salad. But I just decided to whip up some mashed potatoes for my son because he's coming from practice. So then he'll have the salad, the mashed potatoes, and the fish, and I'm gonna probably just have the fish. So I got some buttery mashed potatoes. Apparently they must didn't have garlic, so we're gonna make them into garlic mashed potatoes. I'm using my kettle to boil it, and I'm about to show y'all, but there's something on in there that is copyright, so I'm about to add the music now.